Sanctimonious is an adjective used to describe someone who pretends to be morally superior or pious in an insincere or self-righteous way. The term often carries a negative connotation, implying hypocrisy or an exaggerated display of virtue for self-serving purposes. Origins of sanctimonious. The word sanctimonious comes from the Latin sanctimonia, meaning holiness or sacredness, derived from sanctus, holy. Originally, it described genuine sanctity or piety, but by the late 16th century, it had taken on a pejorative meaning, referring to false or affected holiness. How to use sanctimonious. Sanctimonious is typically used to criticize someone who acts morally superior while being insincere or hypocritical. It is often applied to individuals who judge others harshly, while failing to acknowledge their own faults. Example sentences: his sanctimonious attitude made it hard to take his criticism seriously. She gave a sanctimonious lecture on the environment, ignoring her own wasteful habits. The politician's sanctimonious tone alienated voters who saw through his insincerity. Similar words: self-righteous, convinced of one's own moral superiority, often smugly so, hypocritical, behaving in a way that contradicts claimed moral standards. Pretentious, attempting to impress by pretending to have greater importance or virtue than is true. Nuances of sanctimonious. Unlike words like pious or virtuous, which describe genuine morality or devotion, sanctimonious specifically implies a facade of morality. It often suggests that the person is using their supposed virtue to judge or control others, making it a term associated with criticism and disapproval. In essence, sanctimonious highlights the unattractive side of moral posturing, reminding us that true virtue comes from sincerity, not self-promotion. Subscribe.